Hey, Sweet Stick Sonny on the trail. We are at Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. I will see you on the trail. So we're about 45 minutes into this hike, South Kaibab Trail, Grand Canyon, Arizona. I never saw the Grand Canyon until 2020. And so the only thing that was even close to the Grand Canyon for me in my life was Disneyland. This is not Disneyland. It's a great trail. It's also the same trail that the mules use to take you down to the river, but I haven't seen a mule yet. But I have to tell you that from what I understand, the score is 8-0 mules in terms of people falling to their death. No mule has ever lost his or her life going down the canyon. The same can't be said for the two-legged creatures. I will see you down the road. I wanted to give you an idea of the trail. It's a great trail. I mean, they take care of this thing, and it's hard packed. And, you know, the steps are a little bit further apart than, you know, we would like, but I'm not complaining. This is the direction we're going, and I'm going to show you the trail. You can see it way in the distance. It's great. It's about 65 degrees. It's kind of quiet, which is really nice. And I'm just taking you around, and we started on the other side of that ridge. We're about 2 hours into this hike, and I wanted to show you these switchbacks. This is the trail, and it's really cool. This is a place called Skeleton Point. So we're working our way down. So we're a little over 2 hours into this hike, and we're getting close to the base. And, you know, it made me think. I can't remember if I was in my 40s, and it was either in New York or San Francisco, in line waiting to see a movie. Some guy tells me it's just a big hole in the ground. And that may have been the stupidest thing I've ever heard in my whole life at this moment. Well, there they are, the world famous mules. And remember, they're winning 8-0. Well, there it is, the mighty Colorado River. This has been a great hike, showing you the trail down to the river. This red rock, this red clay, it's amazing. It's about 70 degrees right now, and you couldn't ask for a better day. I will see you back at the barn. Just got off the trail, Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. We did the South Kaibab Trail down to the river. It was about 12.5 miles. It took us a little over 5.5 hours to do. There was a 4,500 foot descent, and then there was a 4,500 foot ascent to get back to the top. It was a tough hike. There are three amazing things about the Grand Canyon that you may not know. The first one is it took the Colorado River 6 million years to carve the Grand Canyon. That's crazy. The second, it's over 10 miles wide. And the third amazing thing is it's over a mile deep. I am here to tell you it's not Disneyland. I will see you next time on the trail.